GBC-705 Intelligent Battery-Operated Hydraulic Crimping Tool. Buckle tongue. Start button. Oil return button. Handle. Large capacity lithium battery. Suspension buckle. Floodlight. LED LCD screen. Large capacity lithium battery. Use time can be longer. One person can easily work. The head can be rotated 180 度 so that crimping can be done at any angle. OLED LCD screen, simple page turning, can quickly view product, information maintenance tips, power, crimping times, lighting, indicator, Bluetooth switch, fault alarm, etc. Clamp body strap design can be opened quickly, convenient middle connection type crimping. Every crimping is completed in 3 seconds, and the oil can be returned to the end in 8 seconds. Automatic oil return when crimping, no power back oil. Automatically determine whether the crimping is qualified. Crimping effect. Intelligent crimping can be realized with self-developed system. Built-in pressure sensor can monitor the crimping process, display the pressure value and pressure curve, crimping abnormal alarm, equipment loss location and search, etc.